If you think natural skincare means that it's weak or it doesn't really work, this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about natural skincare and the right way and what to look for when you're looking for natural skincare so that you understand what you're going to use and how it's going to perform. Hey Divas, I'm Nancy Reagan from Skin Diva Labs. I help women over 40 glow and go. So let's talk about your natural morning skin routine now. It might be something like a sunsy cleanser that's very astringent, that strips everything off, and you're used to like having skin that feels like it's pulled tight. Then some of you are out there using things like witch hazel toners. And not that I don't love witch hazel, but it's not great for dehydrated skin. And the next thing you might be doing is slathering on a serum. And a lot of people are like, oh, I bought this vitamin C serum on Amazon, or I bought this vitamin C or this or whatever. But it might be brown, that vitamin C serum, and it's really not doing what it's supposed to. So all of these things are out there and you're giving it a shot because you think it's natural, and natural means that it's technically good, but it might not be good for your skin because it's hurting your skin barrier. So for your natural morning routine, what you should be doing and how you should be treating your skin goes something like this. You should be using a cleanser that is made without emulsifiers, might have a botanical, but no fragrances or no toxins. You want it to actually remove and also maybe have a little bit in it that is going to be a nice exfoliant, but gentle to the skin barrier. Next on your morning routine is you want something that is going to give your skin hydration. So your toner is not what you think of as taking your makeup off in the morning. Your toner is going to be used to hydrate your skin and also give it some probiotics. So it helps to balance the microbiome of the skin. So when you go out into the environment and you're being bombarded with all of the stuff, the pollutants that are out there, your skin is not absorbing all of these toxins. Next on your natural morning skin routine is by far a serum. And the serum and the moisturizer and the sunscreen. Sunscreen is there to block, and you're using your serum, you're using your moisturizer, and they need to be repaired. They want to heal and repair your skin. So we didn't get to our age without damage to our skin. So it's part of the natural healing part, and you have to have the right active ingredients in order to do that. Last on your morning routine, of course, is some type of sunblock, sun repair. I'm a huge fan of mineral makeup simply because inherently it's got an SPF built into it. It also sits on top of the skin and isn't absorbed into the skin. And we all know the older we get, the mineral makeup, you don't want the talc. You want it to sit on top of the skin and not in the skin, because talc will fold into the skin. It highlights your wrinkles. So that's why I love mineral. I'm a fan of some sunblocks. Anything that has zinc oxide or titanium is a yes for me, but you have to watch out for all the chemicals. So at night is really when you should be repairing and healing, but here's what the normal natural skincare routine is. So if you like to wear makeup, it usually involves removing your eye makeup with some kind of chemical eye makeup remover. Once you've removed your eye makeup, then you're going to use some kind of sunsy cleanser. This cleanser, although it's natural, is stripping again your skin barrier. You go through the same routine at night, but what ends up happening is you slather a moisturizer on, that probably isn't going to absorb into the skin. So you're putting something on that's not working. So you really want to have a natural skin routine at night that looks something like this. You want a cleanser. The cleanser needs to be a little creamy. It also needs to be without emulsifiers, without toxins, without fragrances, and you want it to actually take off the makeup. You want something that's going to remove the makeup. Next, you want to make sure the skin is balanced from a daily of taking off all the toxins that you actually were out in the environment, so you were out of your day. So you want a probiotic, hyaluronic toner that's going to make your skin feel supple and nice. The first two steps of this nightly repair are setting your skin up for healing and repairing overnight. So at night, the biggest thing that happens at night is our skin heals, our skin also regenerates. So there can be nothing better than doing your nightly skincare routine from a standpoint of having really great glowing skin. On the list is definitely a serum. I'm a huge fan of night mask and using the night mask as something that you can actually put on and repair overnight. I am found at Skin Diva Labs. We have a methylene blue mask, which is marvelous applied overnight. Methylene blue rivals retinol and can actually work as a super antioxidant to help heal and repair overnight. And if you need more serums and more, you can also add the Everything Lift or the Fountain of Firm cream on top of that. NAD boosters, peptides, ceramides. These are all part of a natural skincare routine that actually works and actually repairs and heals the skin. So when you're looking at what we call natural today doesn't mean that, hey, it's just going to be using the bare minimums. Natural means you're finding a skincare line that has no toxins, no fragrances, no naughty ingredients, no sulfates, no phthalates, none of that, so that your skin can regenerate. And it's all about regenerative skincare and longevity. And if you didn't know, I founded Skin Diva Labs, and it is power-packed with ceramides, all of the good stuff, peptides, no fragrances, none of the naughties, and it actually regenerates and repairs and heals your skin. I designed it for women over 40 who are having hormonal issues. It was also designed for people that are going through chemo, cancer, rosacea, sensitive skin. So all of you out there, I was listening to our clients and you needed something to repair and heal your skin, especially overnight. So check out Skin Diva Labs. The link is down below and let me know what you think. So hey Diva, I know you're out there trying a million natural products. If you found this video, if you're using something that you really love, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you're serious about reversing the signs of aging and wanting to actually look younger than your age, check out the next video and let me know. And don't forget, Diva, leave me a comment and subscribe.